just came out the kitchen.
Out the kitchen?
And I'm missing.
What you missing?
It's my chicken. Hey.
No legs? No thigh? Wow.
What are you doing?
I'm getting ready for Black Friday, senor. I'm ready, senor.
I don't think you know what it means.
You can't even understand that guy.
Stupid.
Look at that booty, show me the booty, give me the booty, I want the booty, back up the booty, I need the booty, I like the booty, oh what a booty, shaking that booty, I saw the booty, I want the booty, Lord what a booty, bring on the booty, give up the booty, loving the booty, round booty, down for the booty, I want the booty, hunting the booty, chasing the booty, casing the booty, getting the booty, beautiful booty, smoking booty, talk to the booty, more booty, fine booty.
Oh my god, I think I found my berries. Not my berries. Oh my god, the guy found my berries. I'm just kidding. I don't know where they are. Oh my god, I still haven't found my berries. But I found it.
Remember, class, you can be anything you want. I want to be the president. Oh, Andrew, try a little bit smaller thing. Bitch, you said I could be anything I want.
Sitting on the toilet. 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 Sitting on the toilet.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go, spend my coin for